Guys, recently this new paradigm called vibe coding has really taken off. A lot of people have tried this and they have different opinions on this. I'm going to share a bit about my workflow. I've been using it. I pushed over 200 PRs using this in the past 2 weeks. Um, so basically, vibe coding is you take natural language, you just describe what you want about and your stack, and the AI agent implements the changes. It'll push a PR, and you can review that PR, merge it, and basically everything works. So you can describe if you want to fix a bug, if you want to implement a feature or an entire app, and it's just gonna provide that for your testing, and it's production ready code. So the simplest workflow that I can think of is if you are starting from UI Figma design, you can take screenshots of your design, pass it to O3, and it will create a prompt that you can pass to OpenAI's Codex. So guys, Codex is a new AI agent by OpenAI. It was released on May 16th, and it's really, really good. Basically, you tell Codex what to do, and it's going to go ahead and create PR like this, and that's going to have all your changes. You can review that PR, and once you merge, if your workflow allows, you can auto-deploy. So in this workflow scenario, we're looking at Vercel, which is a deployment platform. So if you want to skip all the infrastructure work with AWS, you can just have Vercel deploy your Next.js app, or they support multiple app types, and then Supabase for the database. So we're going to take a look at an example. I'm working on this website, and I see this card element has this text that I don't like. I wanted to make it better, improve it, remove this button, and add a image up top. So what I've done is I've written a prompt. In the prompt, I'm describing what I want, and I'm setting the character of the AI. I'm saying, hey, you are a UI UX designer and a product design expert, and this is your goal. I'm going to provide you screenshots, and these are the changes I want you to make. So I'm going to go ahead and add a screenshot of this prompt. To this and let it run. Remember, this is O3 is a reasoning model, so it's going to take some time. It's going to process your request and come up with the response. Looks like it prepared the prompt. I'm going to go ahead and copy this prompt and paste it here. I'll ask it to code. What it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and pull this repo down, create an environment, write the code, test it, and then push a new PR. One of the important things I would like to highlight is in your repo, you want to have an agents.md file if you're using Codex. I think it's similar to for Cloud Code as well. So here you will describe what you want the agent to do. If your company has guardrails that you want to set for like the repository rules, what rules to follow, or a pattern that you're following in your code base, you can mention everything here. So we are going to let this run for a bit. I'm going to pause this video. Looks like the PR is ready. We'll go ahead and take a look. I'm going to go press create pull request. It has added the image URL, more UI changes. It has updated some of the HTML. It's mostly just UI changes. I'm going to go ahead and merge this in. One great thing about Vercel is you can set your GitHub workflow to automatically deploy. So it's going to deploy the branch that we had before, that Codex created, and which is prefixed by Codex always, and also the QA branch. So we're going to let this run. The deployment is done. We'll go ahead and refresh this page. As you can see, it has added the image. The image URLs are not accurate, so it's not going to show that, and it has updated. I could have added more specifics to fix the UI, and the button was removed. So you can iterate over your UI and really move very quickly. As you can see, our role as developers is changing fast. It's more about managing this AI and describing what you want. So I can only imagine 6 months from now when we have O4 or O5, this being really good and the hallucinations going down. If you guys want me to show how I've set up Vercel, Supabase, and Codex to just the workflow that we just saw, please leave a comment and I'll go ahead and upload a video for that.